Myself Pujita. We are studying 9th standard. We are explaining about mean, mode, median and range.
Myself Ashwita. Myself Srija.
Myself Srija.
Myself Jicharan.
Myself Josna.
Myself Akshaya.
I'm explaining about the mean. I'm explaining. The average of a data set found by adding all numbers together and when dividing the sum of the numbers by the number of the numbers. My friend explaining about simple method.
Simple method of mean.
X bar is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi is equals to sum of observations. X bar is equals to mean. Formula of deviation method. X bar is equals to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Di is equals to sigma xi minus a. A denoted assumed mean. Sigma fi denoted sum of observations. X bar denoted mean. My friend explained about step deviation method.
I am explaining about step deviation method. The formula of step deviation method is x bar is equals to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Ui is equals to xi minus a by h. Here there is multiplication and it will go to division. H denotes class size and h is equals to upper boundary minus lower boundary. A means assumed mean. Now my friend will explain.
I will explain about median. The middle number found by ordering all the data points and picking out the one in the middle. If they are two middle numbers, taking the mean of those two numbers.